Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start Fidelity investment. First, you'll open a brokerage account online, a process that typically takes around 10 minutes. You'll need to select an account type that best suits your financial objectives, whether it's for retirement or general investing. Then, provide your personal details and securely link your bank account to facilitate easy funding. This initial setup is straightforward and sets the foundation for your investment journey. Once your account is open, the next step is funding it. You have several convenient options, including electronic funds transfers, which are quick and easy. For regular, consistent growth, consider setting up a direct deposit from your paycheck. If you already have investments elsewhere, you can transfer those existing assets directly to your new Fidelity account, often without selling them. This flexibility makes funding your investment simple. With funds in your account, it's time to choose your investments. Fidelity offers a wide array of choices, from individual stocks and bonds to exchange-traded funds, or ETF. For broader diversification and professional management, mutual funds are an excellent option. Make sure to leverage Fidelity's robust research tools and screeners. They can help you identify investments that align perfectly with your risk tolerance and financial objectives. Investing is an ongoing process, so regular portfolio management is key. Periodically review your investments to ensure they still align with your goals and rebalance if necessary. To foster consistent growth, consider setting up automatic investments. Even small amounts can add up significantly over time. Finally, take advantage of Fidelity's extensive educational resources to continuously enhance your investment knowledge and make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.